Yeah, so far I hit 12.1 psi on the gauge, and roughly like 11 to 12 pounds of boost. So, which is crazy on a stock DE. So let's check it out. Let's see how much it makes, and yeah, let's hope for the best.
at 450 wheel? 450 torque, is that right? My chest, brother. Oh my God. Alright guys, Manny VQ's first drive in his single turbo G35 coupe.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy fuck!
Oh my God!
Oh, that is beautiful.
Yeah. Oh! Oh my God! That's fantastic. Oh. Yeah.
That's exactly what you were talking about.
There you go. Now you know.
Yeah.
See? Because the power just comes in and then you're spinning tire. You gotta be careful with it, right?
Wow, bro.
Don't ride that too long. You know that.
Yeah,
Let's go this way.
This way.
Oh, fantastic!
What the fuck?
Sounds so good too.
What the fuck is this car, bro? This is what the fuck? I can't believe this is the same car. I can't believe it, bro.
Yeah, bro. From NA to this is something else, right?
Turbos. Turbos for the win.
Yeah, supercharger was nothing like this, bro. I can tell you right now. Oh my God! Let's go. Oh. The BOV sounds crazy too.
Crazy.
Oh, solid. Do you have brake boost set up or no?
I don't know.
Okay, well, let's try it a little. You in a second?
Second gear, yeah.
Pick up a speed a little bit.
Okay.
And then lightly give brake with your left foot and then add throttle.
Okay.
Try it. Alright. Welcome to brake boost, brother.
That was my first time brake boosting.
There you go. So when you race like NA cars or supercharged cars or anything that has a hard hit, you need to do that.
Okay.
Because like you might get lost in the lag, right? Otherwise.
Yeah. I could literally hear like the turbo spooling.
Yes.
And as soon as
and
I
you
let go,
fuck. But you'll get wheel spin. Like the car will get ready for that. Try it again. Yeah, a little bit higher in your RPM, like 35-ish. Yeah, right there is good. Let's go. That's crazy. You're good with it too. You're nice with it. Like you're not.
I've been watching your videos.
Yeah, bro. The first time I brake boosted, I almost put myself into the dashboard. That's awesome.